Alright, you guys, I'm going to do another example, and then I'm going to do some try-its. So I've got 4/5 divided by 7. So I'm going to follow the steps. So I'm going to keep that first fraction. Keep 4/5. Okay, I'm going to change the division into multiplication. Now, the reason why we change into multiplication is because I don't know what 4 divided by 7 is. That is a decimal number that I am not going to approximate right now. So because of that, we do keep, change, flip. Okay, and then flip. So 7, though, is a whole number. I can't exactly flip a whole number, so what I need to do is remember who you are. Remember that 7 is the same as 7 over 1. So when you have whole numbers, you can put them over the number 1. Okay? So then when I flip that 7, it becomes 1/7. So 7 and 1/7 are reciprocals. All right? And then I'm going to multiply straight across just like normal. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 5 times 7 is 35. Okay? 4 and 35 do not share any common factors, so this is a final answer, 4/35. Yay! Okay, I'm going to do one more example, and this time I'm going to have a whole number first. All right, I have 3 divided by 2/7. Okay, so I'm going to use keep, change, flip again. Keep, change, flip. So I keep the 3. I change the division into multiplication, and I flip that 2/7 into 7 over 2. But wait, you guys, 3 is not in fraction form, so I can't do anything yet. So I've got to do the same thing that I did over here. I need to remember that since 3 is a whole number, 3 is the same as 3 over 1. So I need to put it over the number 1. Okay. And now I can multiply straight across. 3 times 7 is 21, and 1 times 2 is 2. 21 halves. This is an answer. But wait, this top number is bigger, so this is an improper fraction again. So we're going to divide. So I take 21 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. Oh, sorry. 2 goes into 1 0 times. And I've got 1 remainder. So this is my whole number on top, and this is my numerator down here. So I've got 10 wholes, or 10 whole numbers, and 1 half. 10 and a half is the same as 21 halves. Both of these are perfectly great answers. It's just I wanted to show again how to convert from improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay? All right, I'm going to pause and give you a few try-its. Okay, here are your try-its. 3/8 divided by 2/3 and 12/13 divided by 1/2. So make sure that you pause this video and try both of those. So pause it until you're done with those two. Okay, hopefully you've paused this video and you've come back and you're ready to try these two. So we're going to start with keep, change, flip. So I keep 3/8. I change that division to multiplication, and I flip 2/3 to use the reciprocal, which is 3 halves. And then I'm multiplying straight across. 3 times 3 is 9, and 8 times 2 is 16, 9/16. 9 and 16 don't have any common factors, so this is my final answer. Hopefully you got 9/16. Give yourself a star if you did. Do the same on this other one. I'm going to keep 12/13. I'm going to change that division into multiplication, and I'm going to flip 1/2 to 2 over 1. Okay, and now I've got 12 times 2 is 24, and 13 times 1 is 13. Okay, 24/13. This is a final answer. However, the numerator is bigger, so this is an improper fraction. So we can reduce it by doing division. So I do 24 divided by 13. 13 doesn't go into 2. 13 goes into 24 just one time. 13, subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the whole number, and this is the numerator. So this is the same as 1 and 11/13. Both of these answers are perfectly fine. If you kept it as an improper fraction, that's great too. Awesome job.